Hey guys, I'm back. I've got my summer FabFitFun box, so let's see what's inside. I went ahead and cut this for you guys, so you guys don't have to watch me struggle. This is what it looks like on the inside. And our magazine. We got a Hello Fresh. And we got a promo to get $15 off your first box if you haven't gotten one yet. And mine seems to keep coming like this. Already pre-ripped. I don't know. Could be the postman. Or how far it has to travel. Okay, first things first, I got the blow dryer. This is Ultra Cosmetics. Let's see if I can get this open. See which one I got here. Because if I'm not mistaken, I didn't get to pick the color. It's just their little travel size. Isn't it cute? Comes with 2 different attachments. The one for you doing curly hair, and this is one that you can use for straightening it. Okay, there's that. And let's grab the book here, and I'll tell you how much the worth of that is. Let's see. A1 is the blow dryer. It is $60. And then I've got the Wish Away Foot Mask. I'm excited to try this. It's summertime. We wear sandals and flip-flops all the time, and my feet look rough right now. So this is what the bottle looks like. Look at that. I love this. Good deal. Ooh, it's got like a coconut, kind of reminds me of sunscreen back in the day. The coconut scented. And if you can see it, it's clear. I don't want to rub that on my hand. And that is, let's see if I can find that in here and I'll tell you how much that's worth. Let's see. That is $32. And then the next thing I've got here is the Kula makeup setting spray. And let's see what that is. That is $36. That's how much it costs. See, we're already way over the box price of what you pay to, you know. Oh, I can't get it out. Let's see. It doesn't really smell like anything other than rubbing alcohol. That's all I smell. And it has a SPF of 30. It smells like rubbing alcohol. And then the next thing I have here is the Spray All Day Rose spray. It's supposed to be like kind of refresh your face. Let's see if that's, ooh, it's a pretty bottle. You guys see that? Okay, let's see if I can get it open. And that does have a definite rose scent to it. I know some people aren't a fan of that. it's a big deal right now. I think everything's rose scented or it's rose gold colored. But that one smells really good. I will use it. I like rose. So, and that one, if I didn't say already, is worth $25.95 in the book. In V Bubbles, I believe that's how it said. It says hair ties. These things are awesome. I have one. It came in another one of my boxes. These work great, and I haven't ever had them leave crimpy prints in my hair. So it does do what it says it's supposed to. And they're worth $16 for 6 of these. I wouldn't pay $16 for these. I like them, yes, but $16, a little pricey. I'm happy it came in my FabFitFun. And then I've got the it's going to, there it goes. Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Clay Mask. And it's got a seal on it that I can't get off. And it says it's purple. I want to see if it really is purple. There, I got it. Put the lid back on there, and let's see if this stuff's really purple. It's definitely purple. I love it already. So you guys can see what it looks like there. And they say the value of it is $39. Living Proof is the next thing. And the Living Proof is, my goodness, can't find it. $28. It's for frizz away when you have curly hair, which would be great in mine because mine's doing I don't know what today. I've tried to get it to cooperate. It doesn't want to. And then I got the silicone champagne glasses. I think. Goodness, sorry about all the noise. I'm trying to get these out for you guys so you guys can check them out. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, and when I picked these out, I was nervous that they were going to be like flimsy silicone, but they're not. They're really, really firm. I have to really squeeze it to put a dent in it, so that makes me happy. I was nervous I was going to get something that was, you know, weak. I mean, I really have to push in on this. I mean, you'd really have to squeeze it with your wine in there. I'm excited to use these this summer. I'm going to use them for the 4th of July. The cool little thing is that it comes in this little travel bag, so you can just stick them in there, go on vacation, throw them in your bag. And when you get where you're going, you have a chat. You have a wine glass to drink your little wine by the beachside. And then those were, let me find them here, $25. I wouldn't pay $25. It's a good deal. They're really good quality, but it's definitely for 2. I wouldn't pay $25. And the last thing I got was the board, the felt board, which I've wanted one of these forever and I couldn't find one anywhere. So let me tell you how much it's worth if I can find it. Okay. Where is it? Oh, okay, here we go. It is $35. I'm going to show you the front here. These are some of the things that you could get. I mean, I got this, and I got the felt board. But you could have, things you could have gotten instead were like this bag here, beach bag, the kimono, these 3 glass bowls, this towel. It's really pretty, but it's kind of weird shape. I'm not exactly sure how you would deal with that folding it. And on the other side, you could have gotten necklace, the resistance bands, an eyeliner, and here's a few other things. There's the champagne glasses I got. And then on the last page, here's some of the other things you could have gotten. I got the makeup setting spray, the purple mask, the foot mask. I also got these hair ties here. Oh, and this rose refreshing spray, face spray. So those are the things I got. But let's get into this felt board. Okay, here it is open. Come just like this. And here is a little bag to put all your little letters in. You guys, like legit, they have emoji faces right here. Check those out. That is so cool. They also have like the heart and the sun and a moon and another heart. That's too cute. And little star and flowers. And then, oh wow, you guys, this is a lot thicker than I thought it was going to be. It's a very sturdy board. I may start putting what we're unboxing on this and set it on the shelf behind me. So that is everything I got in the box. It's definitely worth your like $49.99. I believe that's what it is. Every what is it? It's seasonal. So it's like 4 times a year. And if you pay for a full year subscription, you get to pick a lot more, edit a lot more things, and pick exactly what you want instead of just getting something you're not sure if you really want. So that is everything in my box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch me. And I hope you have a great week. Let me know how your week's going down below. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps. Thanks, guys.